In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in Constant Contact. Personalizing your emails with a first name is a simple way to boost engagement, and Constant Contact makes it easy with a built-in greeting tag. Start by opening your browser and searching for Constant Contact. This helps you land on the official site quickly. Once you're on the home page, click Login and sign in with your account. After you're in the dashboard, look for the Create button to start a new email. Choose the option to start from blank so you have full control over the layout and content. You'll now be in the drag and drop email editor. On the left panel, find the text block and drag it onto your email where you want the greeting to appear, typically near the top of your message. Click the text block you just added so the editor knows that's where you want to place the personalization. At the top of the editor, open the Insert menu and select Greeting Tag. This opens the personalization settings. Here's where the magic happens. You can edit the personal greeting to match your tone. Make sure the field is set to first name so Constant Contact pulls each subscriber's first name from their contact record. This is what turns a generic hello into hello Alex when the email is delivered. You can also choose the punctuation after the name. A comma is the most common and keeps things friendly and professional, but you can opt for an exclamation point for a more energetic vibe or remove punctuation entirely if you prefer a cleaner look. Next, set the default greeting. This is what appears if a contact doesn't have a first name on file. Something simple like hi there or hello keeps your email polished for everyone. When you're happy with the settings, click Insert. You'll see a placeholder tag appear in the text block. That's expected. During sending, Constant Contact will replace that tag with the actual first name, and for anyone missing a first name, it will use your default greeting automatically. From here, you can continue writing your message around the greeting so it reads naturally. Keeping your greeting concise and on brand helps your email feel personal without sounding forced. And that's it. You searched for Constant Contact, logged in, created a new email from a blank template, dragged in a text block, inserted a greeting tag, chose first name, adjusted the punctuation, set a default greeting, and placed it into your email. Now your campaigns can greet each subscriber by name with zero extra effort during send time.